going the other way. We want to be alone. See what I mean? Stairs. The heat got to me. It's a scam. If this bus is meant for me. Good morning! It is another day. Yesterday was a late one, so I forgot to close out the vlog. I'm heading for coffee, maybe a sandwich. Oh, there's a line over there. Ah, okay. It's for all the armies. Now, I'm gonna get breakfast. This is Haeundae. An umbrella is necessary today. It's so freaking hot and there isn't a breeze. Like yesterday, everyone has gone off to the stadium for the concert. I'm not going to the concert, so I'm gonna be spending today alone. Come with me, travel with me. That croissant was delicious. I'm now waiting for my bus. I have 11 minutes until my bus arrives. This is my second bus stop. I got on at the Haeundae bus stop, but I rode a bus going the other way. Epic fail, but now I think, fingers crossed, I'm going the right way. I rode a bus going the right direction finally, and I've arrived in Songdo entrance. I'm now walking 16 minutes to the cable car ride. I don't think I followed the map correctly, but I see a beach and I see cable cars, so I think I still ended up the right place. Sondo! What's up? I'm excited. Okay, I am here. They fully let me ride a car on my own. I was not expecting that. I was fully expecting them to like match me with other people. I saw a sign that said a cable car has a maximum of 8 people. They literally let me ride it alone. Like I am alone in this cable car. Which is what we want, right? We want to be alone. We want to go to new places and be alone in a crystal cable car. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness me. I am standing on a cable car alone. Let's have it here. Oh, check out the view. It's so nice. The view is lovely. This is so nice. I cannot believe this. It's the back. It almost feels like the ride to get here was fully worth it. Oh, look at this. Should probably get some on my phone, right? Do you see it swaying? Do you feel it swaying? Oh, I'm not about the swaying, to be honest. $1,001 per person to enter. Is this the start of the bridge? I'm not sure. Maybe this is already the start of the bridge. You know what I just realized? We went down a lot of stairs, which means I'm going to go up those same stairs after I've explored this bridge. It's not the biggest bridge. It doesn't feel very sketchy either. It feels very stable. Oh, look at the view! My skirt flew up. Everybody saw my butt. See what I mean? Stairs. And that's just from the entrance. The cable car is right up there. I'm gonna go back up those stairs now. I skipped the stairs. I'm going up the slope instead. The stairs are 3 minutes up. The slope, 6 minutes up. Goodbye, cable car. The heat got to me. The heat is getting to me. So I bit the bullet and paid a pretty price for an Uber ride. Okay. You're welcome. Thank you very much. Oh, together forever. It's a scam. Cute. Supposed to be like, am I doing this right? Flowers for you. The lesson of the day is, if you must go down, you must also go up. I'm back at the hotel. I think the last thing I filmed on this camera was the stairs in the Huinnyeoul village. I'm sorry if I'm saying it wrong, but that was the last thing I filmed on this camera. I think I forgot to say, I took another Uber ride from Gamcheon Cultural Village to Huinnyeoul Cultural Village, mostly because I was really overstimulated. One, by the heat. Two, by my dress. I really want to be a dress person, but wearing a dress on a super windy day is not the best. Three, because of my hair. Again, because of the wind. So yeah, the entire day I was surprisingly ahead of schedule, and I've realized that both villages are for people who maybe like taking photos of themselves, or if you're the kind of person who likes looking at shops, trinkets, food, coffee shops. And again, I have no one to buy souvenirs to. I have no home to buy some kind of trinket for. I didn't really spend a lot of time in most of the shops. I went through many shops, went through many of the photo spots. I did my best to take photos of myself. But yeah, I didn't spend as much time as I thought I would in both villages. And while I was looking for the nearest bus station to go home, I knew I needed to ride the 3006 again, because that's the bus that I rode from Haeundae. When I was looking through it, It was a 17-minute walk and the bus will arrive in 16 minutes. So you better believe I sprinted to that bus station. I was frantically looking at the neighbor map and I was like, if this bus is meant for me, then I will ride this bus because the next one is at 45 minutes. I either catch the one arriving in 3 minutes or I wait 45 minutes for the next one. And if you haven't already guessed, I did make it. Just by a minute, I think. And I'm so thankful because I made it. I made the bus. And now I'm back at the hotel. I needed to charge my phone because another thing that I realized is when you're out exploring on your own, your phone battery dies because you're doing all the navigation. You basically take photos and videos of yourself. So it's always used. And as I said, I am a little bit ahead of schedule. Yeah. I am taking you to the next activity, so you better hold on tight. I'm gonna have to lay here for a while and just stare at the ceiling to decompress. I'll check back in a bit.